Hello student, this is Rohit Upadhyay, computer teacher at MLZS Jhansi. Student, in this video we will start chapter 5, that is computer networking and multimedia basics. So let's start. Student, in this chapter we will discuss what is network, history of networks, need of networking, types of network, communication in network, cloud computing, multimedia and social networking. So these are the topics which we cover some videos. Okay, first is network. What is network? Network is in computer science a group of computers and associated. Student, in this video we will discuss three topics: what is network, evolution of network and need of networking. So first is what is network. Network in computer science a group of computers and associated devices that are connected by communication facilities. Network is an interconnected collection of autonomous computers. When two or more computers are joined together, so they are capable of exchanging information and resources, so we can say they form a network. Basically, network means where the different types of devices is connected through a cable or wireless medium to exchange the information and resources, so we can say we have formed a network. Next is evolution of network. The first network that is developed by US Defense Academy in 1969, the name was ARPANET. The full form of ARPANET is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. The goal was this network to connect different universities and US defense. People exchanged information and played games by using this network at that time, and this network expanded rapidly. In mid-18, the National Science Foundation created a high-capacity network that is called NSFNet. The full form of NSFNet, National Science Foundation Network. This network allowed academies to use private businesses. Many private companies built their own network, which were later interconnected along with ARPANET and NSFNet to form Internet. ARPANET was shut down in 1990. Government funding for NSFNet discontinued in 1995. But commercial services came into the scenario, which are still running the Internet. Now, why we need for networking? We need for networking for following terms. Number one, resource sharing. Through network, we can share data, software, hardware resources can be shared irrespective of the physical location of the resources and the users. अगर आप नेटवर्क फॉर्म करते हैं तो नेटवर्क फॉर्म करने से हम लोग रिसोर्सेज को शेयर कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, यू कैन सी इन साइबर कैफे where are several computers are connected in a network and one printer is also connected in a network, so any computer can give the print command, so the printout can taken by the printer. मीन्स हमें हर कंप्यूटर के साथ अलग अलग प्रिंटर को कनेक्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, जिससे हमारा जो कॉस्ट है वो कम हो जाएगा. हमें नेटवर्क में सिर्फ एक ही प्रिंटर को कनेक्ट करने से हमारा जो नेटवर्किंग का जो रिसोर्स शेयरिंग है वो पॉसिबल हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट, रिलायबिलिटी. A file can have its copy on two or more computers of the network. Network is very reliable. If we lost one copy of an important file from our computer, but our computer is connected in a network, so we can take a backup for a duplicate copy of that file and we can take it. So हम लोग network जो है वो फॉर्म करते हैं जिससे हमारे कंप्यूटर को जो बैकअप है वो easily अवेलेबल हो जाता है. Next is reduced cost. Because we share the resources, so it reduces the cost to form a network. Next is fast communication. By using networking, information can be exchanged at a very fast speed. Very far away we can send messages. Right now we can use the social media, we can use the chat messaging group for transferring the messages from one place to another place which is very far, and we can fastly convert these messages. There are certain terms which is related to a network. Here you can see some computers are connected on a network. The computer which provide the connections or the services or information to all the computer, that computer is called the server or the workstation, while the computer is taking the permission to taking some services or information from the server computer. These computers are called node.